Hello everyone, my name is Dennis Ampong. And today, I will guide you through the pedigree chart that I have created for my genetics project. So what is a pedigree chart? A pedigree chart is a diagram used to track genetic traits across several generations in a family. It helps us understand how certain traits, such as skin tone, are being inherited in a family. So here is my family pedigree chart, which covers both my paternal and maternal sides. Let me explain how it's organized. So the circles represents the females, while the squares represents the males. The marriage lines connect individuals who are partners, and the lines below them indicates their offsprings. The color-coded symbols show different skin tone. The light or the fair skin tone is represented by pink color, and the dark skin tone is represented by dark blue color. So the chart follows the inheritance of skin tone in our family. Our dominant allele for fair skin tone is represented by capital letter W, and the recessive allele for dark skin tone is represented by small letter w. Let's now analyze the dominant and recessive traits in my family for skin tone. The dominant allele represented by capital letter W results in a fair skin tone, while the small letter w leads to dark skin tone when inherited in two same copies of allele. Here are examples of my family members who possess the fair skin tone trait. My father has the genotype small letter WW, meaning he has a dark skin tone. However, my mother, on the other hand, has the WW with a capital W genotype, which shows a fair skin tone but carrying a recessive allele for dark skin. I, the middle child, the third generation, also have the WW with the capital letter W genotype, which means I have a light or fair skin tone, which possibly caused by my mother's genotype having the dominant fair skin allele represented by the capital letter W. For example also is my eldest sibling, who also has the WW with the capital letter W genotype, meaning they have a fair skin tone. My aunt also, from the paternal side, also has the WW genotype, showing the same fair skin tone. Also from my maternal side, my aunt also has a WW genotype, with the capital letter W indicating the same fair skin tone. It even also extends to the fourth generation. As shown in the chart, the eldest child of my siblings also possess the WW with the capital letter W genotype, displaying a light skin tone. This pattern continues across my family, where the light skin tone is dominant in most individuals, but some members carry the recessive traits. In conclusion, this pedigree chart shows the inheritance of skin tone follows a predictable pattern. The dominant allele for fair skin, represented by the capital letter W, is expressed in myself and my two elder sisters, while my younger siblings inherited the recessive dark skin trait or the WW trait. By looking at the chart, we can see how important it is to track both dominant and recessive alleles to understand inheritance pattern. Pedigree charts are incredibly useful tools for understanding not only physical traits like skin tone, but also potential health conditions or risk. I hope this chart has helped you to explain how these traits are passed down in families.